Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus have announced a new benefit of lifetime free screen upgrade. In this video, we'll talk about how you can apply and which all devices are eligible for it. It'll be a very small video, but it will be very helpful for those who are afraid of these green line issues or other colorful lines which we are seeing on OnePlus smartphones. Now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So here we have our OnePlus 9 and most of the devices which had this green line or other colorful line issues are OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9 series. Till now there are no issues with my OnePlus 9, but you have seen a lot of users are facing these issues. In past also we met with OnePlus officials and they did confirm that screen replacement will be done for OnePlus smartphones, and OnePlus is already doing screen replacements, but here on your device itself you can opt for lifetime free replacement. Soon you open this red cable club on your device, you'll see a new preview which says free screen upgrade just for you. If you don't see there, just tap on the benefits, scroll down, and here under rewards and privilege you can find that option. From here itself you can directly book an appointment. You can see here it says make an appointment today at OnePlus Service Center for a free screen upgrade, and it's for selected devices. Here are the devices which are included, which is OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus 8T, OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9R. Currently only these 4 devices are listed. In future we might get to see more devices depending on the cases of these colorful lines. So to apply you just have to tap on upgrade and you'll get few options here. So here if you don't see your device, you can add that manually just by tapping on the change device. If you still doesn't see your device in this pop-up menu, then just tap on add other phone and use the IMEI number. I have OnePlus 9. You can see the actual cost of screen which is 13,700. Once you have selected your device, just select the service center. For example, I'll find a service center in Bengaluru. You can see all the service centers are listed here and I can just select one of them tapping on confirm. Now I'll scroll down, select timing according to my preferences. After that you'll be able to select the slots according to availability. So for example, what I'll do, I'll select first and the timing which I've selected is 4 to 5 p.m. Tapping on confirm, I'll just have to provide other informations like my full name and mobile number. Once done, I can submit this. Right now I won't submit because there are no issues with my OnePlus 9. And along with this screen replacement, they'll also do free cleaning and maintenance service once you submit your device. And guys, remember these points before submitting your device. Your device should not be tempered, or there should not be any kind of screen leakage or any other damage caused by human factors. And later on, executive will also diagnose your device, and after that only they'll approve the screen replacement. And I've also heard that you can still upgrade the screen even if there is no colorful lines. But I won't recommend that. Just use your device. If any green line appears on the selected devices which I have mentioned, OnePlus will provide a lifetime replacement of the screen. So which is again a very good move by OnePlus. And you guys let me know, are you satisfied with the experience what OnePlus is providing with these issues? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.